Hello, welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to learn how to change contact lens color in Photoshop. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do, we are going to brighten the eye. You can see the eyes are a little dull, so you need to brighten it by adding brightness adjustment layer. So there you can add your brightness adjustment layer here. Increase the brightness. Now you're going to make the mask negative by pressing Ctrl I. Make the mask negative. Then you're going to choose your soft brush. You're going to paint over the iris carefully. Carefully paint over the iris. Make sure you don't paint the pupils, just over the iris. Make sure you don't paint the downline. You can see the difference. In case of any mistake, you can correct it by taking care of the downline in case you mistakenly painted there. Now with the same brush selected, carefully paint the second eye too. Remember, paint over the iris carefully. You can see the difference. You can see that we have brightened the eye. The eye was a little dull, but now it's now brighter. Now you're going to add the hue saturation layer. Take it out to the left. And you're going to press Ctrl I to turn the mask to negative. And with the same soft brush selected, you're going to paint over the iris again. Carefully paint over the iris like this. Carefully paint over the iris, and you're going to repeat the same procedure with the other eye. Just repeat the same procedure here. Carefully paint over this iris. Now when you're done, I'm going to double click here for the properties, and here you can change the contact lens to any color you want. You can see the color are changing to any color you want, green, blue, any color you want at all. You can change the contact lens to. So this is how to change contact lens in Photoshop. Do share this video and also subscribe. Thanks for watching.